Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing something special. Since Babe is dressed like America, we're doing hot dogs. But not just any hot dogs. I gotta show you guys this. We got these sent to us from Snake River Farms. Let me just show these real fast. Let's see if the camera will pick it up. American Wagyu beef hot dogs. Wagyu hot dogs.
I'm pretty excited for these.
Gourmet frankfurters.
Yeah.
Fully cooked. A pound of Wagyu hot dogs.
I think that they're going to be fantastic.
So we're going to be outside on the Pit Boss 5-burner flat top griddle. We're going to be griddling up these little hot dogs. Actually, they're not little. These big hot dogs.
Honking.
Babe shredded some cheese. Don't buy pre-shredded cheese.
No, it has stuff on it.
Sawdust.
Sawdust. Don't buy it.
So Babe shredded up some cheese. We have the world's greatest chili.
Yeah. See our other video where we...
Hormel chili, no beans. Fantastic.
Ugh.
No beans. Chili does not have beans.
Chili does not come in a can.
It does right now, and it's delicious. Hormel chili, American Wagyu hot dogs, shredded cheese on the griddle, outside. It's a nice day. That's the game plan today.
Happy America.
4th of July is coming.
Yeah.
Freedom. Caw-caw! Okay, and here we go.
Okay, so we're out here on the flat top griddle, and I have my chili in the pot, the Hormel chili. Warming up. I have this side over here on high because I want my chili to warm pretty quickly. And then I'm actually, because those hot dogs are pre-cooked, I want to do the buns first. They're going to take a little bit of extra time. So while that chili is warming up, we'll get our buns toasted and then we'll throw our hot dogs on. It's pretty simple. I'm going to take a little bit of my avocado spray, spray it down, slap it right on there.
I think you bought cheap hot dog buns, babe. Very expensive hot dogs, cheap hot dog buns.
Don't judge me.
What was going on when this decision was being made?
I don't know. But we've got our middle area right here on medium so that we can get those toasted up. And I like to use the avocado. You can use butter. You can use olive oil. You can use
Mayonnaise.
lard if you want. Mayonnaise. So it's pretty warm up here. We have this one over here on medium. But I have this side right here on high. So I'm probably going to just shoot it down to about medium. These are going to cook pretty quick. I'm going to lay down some avocado spray. These are very thick dogs.
Thick.
Thick. See, they're already heating up.
How your buns looking, babe?
They're looking good. They're getting a little toasty roasty. They're perfect. Hot. And these are heating up pretty quick. Yeah, so I scooted my hot dogs back just to get them a little more overheat. But hot dogs are super easy and there's so many different ways you can cook them. Especially because they're pre-cooked already. You're not messing around with anything with meat temperatures. I used to cook them in the microwave. How gross is that?
That's not a good time.
Like chili in the microwave and then a hot dog in the microwave.
That's not a good time.
That's when I was young.
When I was growing up, we used to boil hot dogs.
Oh, my mom used to boil hot dogs too. That would be our Sunday lunches after church. Boiled hot dogs, top ramen. Chili dogs if we were lucky. We have our nice toasty roasty buns. Who doesn't love good toasty buns? Our hot dogs are coming along.
Thick dogs and toasty buns.
Oh yeah. Okay, so these little babies are done. You can see how it's split. Means it's nice and heated up. Right, we noticed this little part right here, and we're just going to take that off because I just don't know if you're supposed to eat that.
You want to nip the tip.
I just want to nip the tip. This is what happens when Josh, if he ever acts up.
Ah! Wow.
Just kidding, kind of. So we're just going to do that on all of them. And these are done. So they took about, what, 5 minutes to heat up?
Yeah.
That one's okay. It's probably just the casing. Okay. Oh, look at, see, that's a perfect fit for my little cheap
buns.
bun.
I'm just very excited to try what a
tortillas?
Wagyu hot dog tastes like. I don't think I've ever had that in my life.
It's going to be pretty good. All right, so next up, we'll put our delicious chili. Oh boy. And you could add onions if you're into onions. We're not doing that today, but that is also very yummy. We will, however, add some cheese. And there you go. There's your simple summer freedom dog.
Okay, I'm excited to try a Wagyu hot dog, honestly.
I think it's going to be really good.
But first, we have to roll our top tier channel members. Thank you all so much, all of our channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We could not do our little YouTube hobby without you guys. So
thank you guys very much.
Thank you. Okay.
Are you ready?
So you made like a little bitey bite.
I did. I cut a little bite so we didn't make a huge mess.
Okay, babe.
Okay.
Here we go. You got to get bun, you got to get chili, you got to get cheese, you got to get dog with the tip nipped. Okay, here we go. That reminds me of a Costco hot dog.
I was just going to say it's like Costco, but better.
Yeah, it's like a very fancy version of a Costco hot dog. It's very good.
You know how Costco leaves that like taste in your mouth?
Yeah, like the beef, like the all beef natural, like that's very good, and it's very tender hot dog. So
this isn't doing that. I'm not going to be belching up dog later.
no, I think
Once you do it, Costco.
right. I love Costco hot dogs.
No, they're delicious,
Oh.
but you taste them for the whole day.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is like clean.
Yeah, it's very good.
It's really
Very good.
yummy.
Snake River Farms, American Wagyu beef hot dogs, Frankfurters. Good job.
Delicious.
Good job. All right,
Okay, babe. Good job.
that's it. We're gonna
Thank
go
you.
scarf the world's greatest chili right now
Now, I hope we taught you how to make a hot dog,
on the griddle.
just in case you didn't know.
All right, we'll see you on the next one.